Today we're working on this H-brace for the gate. I'm going to put a panel up and hopefully get to this other side too, so we can open this pin up here so it's easier to bring the goat out. Harold's not too happy Doc was in his pen. I had to nail this post together. We went in for lunch and then the weather turned to crap. Well, we get the gate put up. Harold's out in the main pen. Edith is in Harold's pen. The goal is to let Harold out and roam around, see how that works. I need to clean his pen really bad, and if it works out, we'll just leave him out here. But last time he got to roam a little ways, he was gone overnight. And there's no way I'm going to pick him up on the side of the road this time, because he's a lot bigger. Harold's just checking things out. Yeah, need to get that pallet out of there. For now, we have the gate chained on top and bottom in case they push against it. We got all the animals out here together, and we just gave them some squirrel mix of nuts and corn, and they're getting along, so I'll keep an eye on them for a little while. So that's it for this project for today, hopefully. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.